Hey, everybody loves a banana split, right? Why not take a banana split to a party? Sounds perfect, right? This is what we're making. No baking, no stress, just dessert. This is a banana split cake bar. I want you to come along with me and see how we pull this together. So easy. Grab your spoon, grab your chair. Come on, come cook with me. Hi, how are you? So glad you could join us tonight in the kitchen. I am going to do no baking, no stress, just dessert. We're gonna have a banana split cake bar. Are you guys ready for these? No baking involved. I'm so excited. Thanks for joining us tonight. Okay, so let's get going. We have, oh, by the way, hi, I'm Wendy. If you're new here, I'm Wendy, your chaos coordinator in the kitchen. And I'm here to get you good food, quick, easy. We are not complicated in this kitchen, but it is good food. All right, so we're making a no bake dessert bar. This is perfect for barbecues. Perfect. Anything you need, just check the description. I always put the full recipe and everything we're using right down there. So easy peasy. You don't have to watch me. You don't have to re-watch me in the grocery store when you're going to pick up the ingredients. So first things first, a whole stick of butter and 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs mixed together and pressed into this 9x13 pan, went into the went into the refrigerator for 15 minutes. So this is all nicely set up. All right, now I've got softened cream cheese here that I'm opening up, and I have a 1/4 cup of sugar. In fact, let me move this out of the way. So this is gonna go sit over here for a second while we do this. Here's our bowl. 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Everybody loves banana splits, right? So this is gonna be a banana split, but in a layered fashion. And so easy to take, parties, potlucks, the whole 9 yards. You know what's coming up too, a lot of backyard parties. So let's do that. All right, 1 brick of the cream cheese. Now we are gonna beat it until it's smooth. Here we go. I'll put you on fast forward so you don't have to pay attention to this. Here we go. We're gonna beat this up until smooth. We need all that cream cheese, dang it. Here we go. All right, everybody loves banana splits. Let's put it together. Quick and easy. All right, we're gonna take the crust and spread our cream cheese mixture over the top. So let me just layer some of it out for us. And then we're also going to use 3 bananas, a can of 20-ounce crushed pineapple that you've drained, some maraschino cherries, some Cool Whip to top it all off, some crushed nuts. Now whether you use the ice cream topping nuts, which is what I'm gonna do, or if you just wanna do straight up peanuts, that's perfectly fine. And also some chocolate syrup. And again, everything you need right down there, including how to layer this up. It seemed like the middle had more of the cream cheese mixture than the outside, so I'm just kind of pushing it out there. It's almost like leveling cement. You could do it forever. Leveling sand, you could do it forever. Just get it the way you want it and call it good enough. Good enough. Yes, hands are clean, of course. we have washed everything, and we're going to use this spoon again. All right, so the next thing you want to do is grab your 3 bananas and make a layer. Here we go. I'm going to make a nice layer. Okay, next is the crushed pineapple. This is 20 ounces. So we've got 20 ounces crushed, and I drained it. We don't want to add any liquid to this. All right, perfectly perfect. Now, what else can you add to this? You want some blueberries? Add some blueberries. You want some strawberries? Add some strawberries. You can do anything. Slice them up, lay them across, however you like your banana split. But we're gonna do Cool Whip and cherries next. So Cool Whip, layer on top. Same as before, just lay some out, and then we'll make a nice layer here. All right, we ready? Next, let's drizzle some chocolate syrup. Here we go. We're going to drizzle some chocolate syrup over the top. Feel free to make your own design, doesn't matter. There we go. Then we are going to put some maraschino cherries in place. I got this big whole jar. I don't know if we'll use the whole jar, but you know, nice to have. And I got the ones without stems. So you can see I kind of made a crisscross. And so what I plan on doing is having a cherry in every open space there. Well, it's coming together. Again, what is this taking? Maybe it's 15 minutes for sure in the refrigerator, but otherwise we are at 15 minutes right now from the start. So it has taken us 15 minutes to put this together. Okay, now this is what I was talking about. You can put chopped peanuts, you can put chopped walnuts, you can put chopped pecans, whatever your little heart desires. This is what I have. It was in the ice cream section. So not in the baking section and not in the snacking nut section, in the ice cream section. And you're just gonna wiggle some of these on here. Perfect. Now, this does have to go in the refrigerator for about 4 hours so that everything sets up so you can cut into it. So let me throw this back in the fridge and I'll come back to you after 4 hours. But I do want to say thank you so much for hanging with us as we made our own triple layer dessert tonight. Everybody loves a banana split, right? I mean, layer me with love. It's perfect. It's perfectly perfect in every way. Thank you so much. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. That's awesome. If you want to subscribe, that would be even better. It helps the channel grow. And I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers before my birthday. So every little bit helps. Thank you so much. There is a Zen moment coming, but we'll save that for after we cut into this and look at the layers. First of all, it's got to go in for a couple hours. We'll see you in 4 whole hours. Hello everyone, guess what? It's been resting in the fridge for quite some time now, and hubby's here behind the camera again. Hi, hubby.
Hi, honey.
And we are ready now to lift and reveal our lovely banana split dessert. Would you look at this? How stinking cute is this? I cannot believe this. I'm so excited to cut in, and hubby, are you excited too? Because we're gonna eat it.
Very excited.
All right, so you know it's got that graham cracker crust at the bottom, so it's gonna be a little bit crunchy. So I'm just gonna take my knife and just go straight down here and cut through. And it would probably help if you were also taking this to a potluck or a family event. It would probably help to go ahead and just pre-cut some slices. Makes it easier. Now, because this is mine, I love the middle, so guess what? I'm cutting us some middle slices, honey.
Yay.
We're getting the middle. Because it's our house and we do what I want. We do what we want. All right. Here we go. Just cut on this side. May or may not be equal slices. Sorry, honey.
That's okay, there's more.
There's more. All right, here we go. We ready?
Ready.
Let's see if we can get in there. Spatula at hand.
Help, help, help.
We got it. We got it. Here it comes. 1, 2, 3. The reveal. Dun, da, da, da. Pineapple, bananas, Cool Whip. Ta-da! It's ready to eat. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm gonna dollop up hubby's spot and we're gonna dig in. We'll see you later.